everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Soraya, and today we're going to apply a new planting method for one of our containers, more specifically our tire container. So stick along with us. Okay, the planting method that I'm referring to is the driller, filler, spiller. Okay, so I'm going to explain it in further details, but for us, we are using all edibles. All right, but you can use other plants with this method. Now, the trailer is a tall plant at the center of the container. In this case, this is a planting plant, or the tall plant can go towards the back or the middle, but we have this one in the middle. So this is our trailer effect. So it's very tall, it will grow taller. Now the filler is plants that are plants that will be filling out the perimeter of the trailer. So I'm going to put some baby chows around the perimeter of the planting plant, and so these will fill out and act as fillers. So I'm going to put 3 rows, circular rows of baby chow. So you have them like very closely planted towards each other to give that filler look. And then at the edge of the container, these will be a spiller plants coming over the container. And for that, we're going to use peanuts all over the perimeter. So the peanut plants will spill over. And of course, we'll update it with this particular container. Actually, it has one of our spillers, and this is a melon plant. I'm not sure what type of melon plant this is. And it also has one other filler plant, or no, not filler plant, trailer plant. This is a cane growing in the tire as well. All right, so I'm going to do the fill up aspect of it now. So again, planting some plants that will fill the center of the container all the way around the trailer plant. All right, I'm going to do 2 instead of 3 rows. All right, so let me start with the inner circle. We're having a bit of competition out here because our neighbors, they are mowing the lawn, so bear with us. Alright, so what we have here is some bok choys, different types, purple, red, and some kale. So we're going to use this as our filler plants. Making sure that the seeds, they have contact with the soil. And what I'm doing is to create an area for the peanuts. Alright guys, so this is it. But these are our spiller plants. So I'm going to cover again with the dirt. Okay everyone, thank you for coming along with us in today's episode of our thriller, filler and spiller planting. Now we hope that you will try this planting method in your garden and do give us an update of yours. We will definitely update you on ours. Now probably will give an update bi-weekly, not sure as yet, but as you can see, our thriller plant was the planting. The filler plants, they were the bok choys and the kale plants, and the spiller plants, one of them melon plants, and then the rest will be spring over, which will be the peanut plants. Alright, so that is one way to maximize your space in this planting method. Now thank you to our new subscribers for coming on board with us. We do see you and we welcome your support. Thank you to our long time members. Continue to support us by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos. Do have yourself a blessed day. Do start that garden one content at a time. See you pretty soon. Bye bye.